Hey guys, welcome back to Zaraz Car. Today, we're setting our sights on the asphalt jungle with the 2024 BMW M4. This iconic sports coupe has received some serious upgrades, and we're here to put them to the test. So, buckle up, grab your virtual helmet, and let's see if this Bavarian beast still reigns supreme. Exterior. First things first, let's talk looks. The M4's bold design has been a point of contention, but it's definitely grown on me. The massive grille is still there, but it integrates better now. The sleek lines, sharp angles, and muscular proportions scream performance. It's a car that demands attention, whether you love it or hate it. Interior. Stepping inside, the M4 gets a luxurious makeover. The new curved display with xdrive 8 is a major improvement, offering stunning visuals and intuitive controls. The materials feel top-notch, and the optional carbon fiber trim adds a sporty touch. But let's not forget, this is a driver's car. The M Sport seats are supportive and comfortable, while the steering wheel feels fantastic in your hands. Now, for the main event, how does it drive? The M4 comes in two flavors. The base model with 473 horsepower and a glorious 6-speed manual, and the competition with 503 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic. Both are absolute rockets, but the competition with its extra power and optional all-wheel drive is simply mind-blowing. The handling is sharp, precise, and confidence-inspiring. This car begs to be pushed to its limits, and it rewards you with a truly exhilarating experience. But let's be honest, most of us don't spend our lives on racetracks. So, how does the M4 fare as a daily driver? The ride quality is surprisingly good, even in comfort mode. The rear seats are cramped, but usable for short trips, and the tech features like the head-up display and parking sensors make everyday driving a breeze. So, is the 2024 BMW M4 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a stunning car that delivers on its promises of thrilling performance and luxurious comfort. Sure, it might not be the most practical choice, but for driving enthusiasts who crave an adrenaline rush, the M4 is a dream come true. Thanks for joining me on this ride with the 2024 BMW M4. What are your thoughts on this beastly beauty? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting car content. Until next time, happy driving.